Islam is the other important influence on individuals in Pakistan. So it's a very important part of our society, of our culture. It directly affects the individual and as well as through families, because families introduce Islam and Muslim culture to the children at a very young age and socialize their children into Islamic practices. So family and religion reinforce each other. Islam promotes family and then family promotes Islam. Belief, which is the third element of Hershey's theory of self-control, is important, and almost all our beliefs come from Islam. Honesty, truthfulness are good because Islam says so. When we teach our children not to hurt others, we tell them that it will lead them to hell, not because hurting others will leave others to hurt them, and it will increase violence in the society, making Pakistan a violent country. Respect for laws is low in Pakistan, as people can succeed in their careers, in the education, in life by even after breaking laws. This means that commitment to future or career, which is the second element of Hershey's theory of self-control, does not stop Pakistanis from criminal behavior. So it does stop Pakistanis maybe from violent crime, but not from white-collar crime, which is prevalent and which leads to success. Involvement in different social groups, such as in religious groups, at school, at workplace, which is the final element of Hershey's theory, also doesn't stop criminal behavior in Pakistan, because all these groups, whether they are families or friends or people at workplace, they don't discourage criminal behavior. There was a time when religion and when culture and when families stopped criminal behavior. There was a sanction. People would not interact with others who are involved in corruption or other malpractices. But now it's gone. So families, in fact, encourage corruption, and money earned through corruption is used to go to Hajj and Umrahs. So this is how families and religion, which are the most important aspects or attachments in case of Pakistan, are not prohibiting crime, but in fact encouraging it. Thank you.